Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to connect your Stripe account to System.io. First, log into System.io. Once inside, on the top right corner, click on your profile, then go to Settings. Now, once inside, on the left panel, go to Payment, Gateways. Then in here, you'll have the option to connect to Stripe. So just go and click on the Connect button beside it. Now you have to enter your Stripe email address, then click on Submit. Then you can also sign in with Google and continue. After that, you need to set up your two-step authentication. So you can go to different authenticator and scan this one, or you can enter your code manually. Now once you have your code, click on the Next. Then enter your code from the Authenticator app. After that, click on Next. Now, just type in the required information and click on Continue. Now, you just need to go and follow these steps, but on some, Stripe will just automatically connect. But that's just basically it. That's how you connect your Stripe to your System.io. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.